Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending the time you are watching me from. Guys, here in Kenya, East Africa, this is in the evening, yes, around 4 p.m. guys. So today I'm live from Kisii town. So I've just come here from my behind here, as you can see. That is a fall. Sorry, that is a fall, guys. So I'm going to show you how this fall look like, guys. So guys, before that, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you are new here, guys, kindly, and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, guys, kindly do so. Subscribe to my channel, like and share, guys, my videos, guys. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I really don't take your love and support for granted. I really appreciate it so much. May God bless you abundantly, guys. So today, this fall here is found in Kisii, around between Kisii and Nyamira. Yeah, but it's around my place. It's like a walking distance from this fall here. This river is so huge, so big. So I'm going to show you guys how it look like. So guys, welcome. Sit there, don't move. Keep watching. Watch until the video until the end. Guys, can you hear that? That is the sound of a river. I don't know, a river, stream, a fall. Yes. So guys, the last video I had shown you the 14 falls. Now I'm going to show you the fall which is found here in Kisii. Yes, around my place. Actually, this is in the village, deep in the village, in the countryside, guys. So let me show you what we have here. So this is a stream. So the fall. Woo! Wow. Sun all the way from up. Guys, this is it. This is the fall, guys. Let me show you guys the fall. Woo! I have to cross using this bridge here. want to go there inside. Sekarang belakang itu water baru dengan ini kan rasanya water. Sasa yena over there. So guys, this is how everything look around here. This place is so amazing, so beautiful. Guys, I'm loving this place. What do you think about this place? Imagine this place is around my home. Yeah, in the village, deep in the village. So we have a fall here. Yeah, so today I decided that because I'm at home, I decided to come here so that I can show you guys. So what do you think, guys? Is it beautiful? So guys, in the comment section, tell me if it is beautiful. Yeah. Yes. So if you are reaching this point, kindly subscribe, like, and share my videos, guys. And don't forget to comment so that I can know what you think about today's video, guys. Tatanguli. Mambo. Naitwa nani? Decided to climb up so that I can show you from above this fall here, guys. But this hill here, so you have to climb up. So this is what I'm doing. Hey, this is a mountain, guys. Can you see? Hey. This week I've been climbing mountains, guys. Okay. Let me show you how it look like. So I want to go up there so that I can show you how it look like from above. But you have to climb all the way up to that point. Guys, I'm telling you, in Kisii, we have a lot of things. We have a lot of sites for tourist attraction. So guys, like this one here, so good for tourists. This is a good place. Yeah, and it's found in Kisii, around my place. Yeah, it's not that far. Just a walking distance from my home. So hey, okay, let me show you. Eh? Mary. Aya Mary. Naya. Robina. Naya. Oh. Nini watoto wazuri? Sema hi. Hi. Nimepata watoto hapa. Hi. Hi. Mwambie hello. Nini ni wazuri? Eh. Wewe utaki kusema? Kuja usalimie watu. Hi. Unaitwa nani? Boaz. Hapa ndio kwenu? Okay. Sawa, wewe ni mzuri? Because I've just climbed from that point hivi to this point here, and I'm climbing. And these children here walk so fast. They're so fast. Hamchoki nyinyi? Hauchoki? Wewe uchoki kupanda umurima? Tarikorasa. Now look, guys, down there. That's I came from that point, hivi, all the way up to this point here. So that is the river. Yeah. Look at these rocks, guys. These rocks here are so beautiful. So beautiful. Huh? Like this one here. Yeah, you can sit here. Very relaxing. Ah, that is the fall. So I'm heading back. So this is how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching until this far. I really appreciate so much, guys. So guys, if you have liked this video, please guys give it a thumbs up, write a comment so that I can know what you think about today's video, guys. So today is very hot, the sun is up, and guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Yeah guys, so if you want more videos like this, guys, kindly write a comment so that I can know that what I'm doing is great, guys. And guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate it so much. So until the next video, guys, bye. Mwah.